Number 6. Number 6. With cheese. Number 6. With cheese. Number 6. With cheese. Number 6. Number 6. With cheese. Number 6.
Dude, that's great.
What's up, guys? Another amazing guest episode, once again with Desmond Jones. Guys, thank you so much for being on a Mukbang Monday video.
Mukbang, 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 mukbang.
Most of the group liked that.
Yeah, cool.
We've been planning this for a while, so they have a show tonight, so by the time you've seen this video, the show already happened, they rocked it, I'm assuming.
You missed out.
It was at Tonic Room, it was great, I'm just foreshadowing what's gonna happen. But we're doing a special Mukbang Monday today because today is Smash or Save, is what you guys. So tell the people, the Sixers, what Smash or Save means.
Initial thoughts? Chicken salad, right? Chris, Bowe, look into that rear view mirror. Did you smash it or did you save? Sixers, smash or save. It's our on the road video series game. I don't really know what to call it, but basically. We love hitting up diners along the way on our musical journeys. We usually get club sandwiches. Oh, look at what we got here. We got the Super Club. Ham, turkey, Swiss, American. JL is a big fan of the chicken pot pie. Ever put the rest of your chicken pot pie in a to-go box? I don't think so.
Here's how you do it.
Bowe and Daint Dog love a good Reuben. And basically it's kind of like a food restaurant review, all inclusive. I've been doing it on my Snapchat story, but we might upgrade now that we're making a national debut with number 6. Basically, we get the food, we talk about the food, we talk about the aesthetic of the restaurant, we get some waitress, waiter interviews. Just we like to dive in and learn about the restaurant. Thank you, Angel.
Did you really just take a picture?
Video.
Oh, Jesus.
It's all good. It's good public. And then we call Smash or Save. You get your food. Usually we're all very hungry and we're just like, dog, you gonna smash that? And most people are like, yes.
Of course.
JL is the king of save.
Okay. Save Dave.
We're back live from Harrison Ford. Johnny, smash or save?
Save.
It's true, folks. Dave Save. The
He's the Dominic Hasek of the Smash or Save.
Boom! Got a Red Wings joke in this month, baby. Eat that shit.
Got very excited about that.
Well, I just got excited. My emotions.
So that's basically it.
So as we unbox this, Corey's gonna break down what you guys are seeing, why we picked this club. So everybody, take the top off. Take the top off the old.
Looking pretty good. Wow. So it looks like we got some turkey, some tomato. It's a triple decker, which I like the triple decks.
Right.
Classic toothpick going through it. Nice big pickle.
You need the tooth.
Real nice.
Delicious looking bacon. Yeah, gotta take it out, nicely toasted, and some mayonnaise on there. It's just a winner across the board, I think, so far in aesthetics, at least.
So Desmond Jones, what was your immediate thought?
There's mayonnaise.
Okay, is that good?
Positive?
Okay, okay. So
Positive.
mayonnaise is a must.
Lots of lettuce.
Yeah, lots of lettuce.
I like that fresh crunch.
Tomato looks nice.
Because when you think Chicago food, you think lettuce, so that's really good. That's so great about this.
There's some slaw in the middle here too.
Yeah, a little. It's like it's a shot of slaw, basically, which is hysterical.
Are we gonna do a shot of slaw?
I think we should all definitely do a shot of the slaw when we gotta make our calls.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it all up in there.
There you go.
Have you ever seen so many club sandwiches?
No, they looked at us like we were insane, dude.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Two just dudes walking in with a camera and are 8 clubs ready? They're like, what are you? Like, what?
Dude. Want to snag up a couple of these?
Yeah, I didn't know if it was all carryable.
All right, let's roll.
When you order 8 club sandwiches, people have questions.
Yeah, that is a fact. Rightfully so. That's
Yeah, I would
thing
too.
To do. Yeah.
I would think it though. I don't talk to strangers. So yeah, so you tell us how it works. What do we do? You say it before you do it. You're like, you're saying smash it. You say I'm smashing this, and then you eat it all. All of it. I'm gonna smash it. Anybody
This
else?
looks like a smash.
I'm smashing it.
Is that 8 smashes?
Is anybody gonna say it?
JL, come on, you gotta pull this
I'll
in.
finish it.
We'll see about it. We'll see about it.
All right, guys. Cheers. Thank you so much for being here. So excited you're playing tonight.
Number 6.
Tom,
Dude,
it's gonna be so fun.
This is like legit carved turkey too.
All right. Cheers. Cheers.
Oh yeah. I'm liking this.
What is it about turkey and bacon together that's just so good?
You know what the most surprising part to me so far?
Mixing meats.
Yeah, mixing meats is always good. The fact that the tomato juice that soaked into some of this bread didn't ruin my first bite.
Yeah. And we got these like
not the tomato juice, the pickle juice. The pickle was laying on top of it. There was soaked in pickle juice.
Because after the pickles are gone, I don't like throwing out the pickle juice. It just feels wasteful. So lately I've been dipping my fingers in the pickle juice. And then I flick it on my sandwiches for flavor.
Yeah, this is more of like a carved turkey though. Than like a Hillshire Farm. Club sandwiches are so funny because it's too wide to actually bite.
Oh yeah.
So what is like what's the go-to move for that? You just go for it?
Yeah, it's a pro.
Yeah. You just like don't ever look good doing it, but it's fine.
Yeah.
What corner do you guys go for in the triangle?
I go for the middle.
Yeah,
one.
middle corner first for sure.
Sometimes it depends on how it's cut. One just like protrudes is like, you need to eat this corner first.
I go middle and then I work my way around.
Club sandwich is not a first date sandwich. No. Like if you're going to get lunch with somebody you actually like, I don't think you order the club.
That's on the list with chicken wings as well.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Too messy, right?
Oh yeah. I love chicken wings though.
I know. I eat them every day. Without a doubt.
Sometimes it's worth ruining a date.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
First 10 minutes going bad, alright, I'm getting chicken wings.
Have you heard the Big Pepper?
I like my sandwiches with 3 pieces of bread. So do I. Well, let's form a club there.
Oh, this is pretty good. And the mayonnaise is 100% a must.
Yeah.
How do you eat this a lot? Do you just smash this too? Just
Like a shot, dude, like a shot.
I'm doing it like a shot, honestly. Salute.
Oh! Nice.
That sort of works.
Oh, that's nasty.
Why else would they put it in the thing like that?
That's true. Why were they
That's how they're
shot?
supposed to do it.
Unless they
If
give
you
you a
dress it
tiny
up like a
portion.
shot, I'm gonna drink it like a shot, you know?
Right. Is it like pretty consistent that you guys like most of you finish like the entire food? Is anybody like a pig?
Boda and Nate Dogg like to think that they need
We're team
food more
We're
than
in
every other person, that they get hungrier than every other person in the world.
We do.
Yeah, they do.
Just your body science, you know?
Yeah, and they love food way more than everyone, so in that regard, they're definitely the monsters. So.
Yeah. I feel like that is praised on a show that's highlighting smash or save. Like it was like, who's the nicest eater?
These are the Barry Bonds, you know, the Mark McGuire, Sammy Sosa, smashers over here.
I was not gonna lie.
I don't think I have ever saved, and that's not like a brag or anything. That's just like when I order the food, I just want to get rid of it all.
Well, there's this weird feeling that smash is better than save, but they're equal things. They play equal parts.
I want to
just think they're
emphasize
all-stars
that.
when they smash, you know?
There is a triumphant feeling when you clean your plate. That's
No doubt you
there's no
accomplished
lie.
something.
There's no lie.
It's that human nature of wanting to complete a task, you know?
JL is, we've said, the most consistent saver.
I feel like we should...
You gotta
I
make
have some great footage, so I'm on my Snapchat story. Checking in Oneonta, New York, where Dave saved Loria.
Like the club sandwich is a good thing to save because it doesn't like, you guys are all in a van together for hours. Somebody got like something.
What's something that you saved that you might
Regret.
shouldn't have?
Yeah.
I haven't
I don't like this question.
Stephanie's Family Restaurant. Have you ever been to Stephanie's?
Nope.
Your White Castle.
Oh,
No, I didn't eat that.
that is a loss. I think.
White Castle should
that's a
never be a
failed
save.
save.
There's no situation where you should be reheating and eating White Castle anything.
Even the ones you can buy frozen, like at the grocery store, when you heat those up, they don't.
Yeah. You gotta be blacked out for that.
Yeah. People that are microwaving those.
I'd be lying if I said I didn't eat day old. White Castle.
You're gross, man.
It's also not a raise, but
Isaac's shooting the
Mine is, I did not eat the tomato.
oh,
Does that not count?
I don't know, guys. Comment below.
What?
You left the tomatoes out.
I'm doing the same thing.
No, that's fine. I'm not a big tomato guy.
I'm an anti-tomato type of guy. See, I'm just a disgusting pig. I don't enjoy any of my bites. It's all just shoveling it in, unconscious, like no thought, just get it in my mouth. It's nasty. Wow. Yeah.
That sound effect.
Oh, dude, I totally forgot. A bunch of super greasy French fries.
I was wondering where those were.
Oh my god.
I tried to take it out of the plastic bag and lift one of these bags, and it just started disintegrating.
Yeah.
In these grease-locked places.
Those will be really good.
We aren't above anything, dude. Any other musicians watching? What do you guys like to eat on the road?
Probably they don't like watching this.
Oh man, I can't even lift these. The paper is like breaking apart in grease.
Nice. Oh my god. That bag turned into a liquid.
Yeah, that's how you know it's good. Oh, they're super chew. It's like eating gum almost.
Salt gum.
Is that?
They're gonna give her some gum?
She'll eat anything. She's a freak.
That's Bubblicious' new flavor.
Boy.
That was an easy smash.
Easy smash. Well, we've been looking forward to this one. Smash-a-roni.
These normally come with most clubs. Fries or extra?
It comes with chips.
Oh.
Yeah. And then fries are extra.
Quinn says no tomatoes, or tomatoes don't count, dude. Sorry.
Quinn, how dare you? I am physically upset right now.
Those fries are not edible. I'm not eating that.
No.
What do you kick me in the nuts or something if I don't eat it all? Is that
They're probably good like when you got them.
No, you'll
It is not.
right?
An hour and a half.
You know when you go to sleep tonight that you saved and you didn't smash, and that your manlyhood.
You have to live with your conscience.
We're really affected by that.
I like that it's called your manlyhood.
Yep.
Your manlyhood.
Related.
That's all we care about here at Desmond Jones is manlyhood.
Not the greatest camera angles for you all, so I'm gonna get in here and get some awesome.
Number 6 is but we have. This is Bona's ass.
This is the real good. Yep. So this is the setup that we got going on. Yeah, we probably put in more hours with in the food game than the music game, you know.
That's your new passion. Eating club sandwiches. We kind of let the music just slide away.
What's more rewarding? Finishing something in a styrofoam container or a standing ovation after a festival? Styrofoam container.
Yeah. Now I'm ready for that middle bite.
That's the
now I'm ready for
Some
that
call it the
middle
golden
bite.
That's the best bite.
Yeah.
But then again, sometimes the
bursty.
last bite is the best bite. It's like
Yeah.
all the juices run together.
Right.
And you have everyone chanting.
Oh, that was a.
You can do it!
That was a little sexually stimulating, if I'm being honest.
Yeah. Dude, but seriously, guys, look at these fries. Like, look at.
Kale just finished the whole thing.
Wow, that's
the
impressive.
thing. That's one of those things. Like, I want to.
You
But
going chew bag?
Watch.
You know what I was saying? We should get them in the oven.
Watch me try to pick us up.
Yeah. Let's roast them up,
Let's
dude.
roast them up in the oven.
Oh, well, that just.
Oh, okay.
Throw them on the skillet.
Hold on, I got you. Don't worry. Okay, no. You can take that
Sandwich
shot?
is smashed.
Taking that shot?
I'll take a shot.
What is better, that or a shot of Malort?
Probably the thing that's
This.
You should just pour some more.
100 shots
Yeah, I'll
of
do it.
coleslaw
Alright.
is better than a shot of
Take that
Malort.
shot.
I'm gonna do the
Jello shot
Yeah.
tongue roll.
Oh,
Yeah. Classic move.
This is where you need the slow mo.
Guys.
Oh, nice. Get that shot.
Oh.
Yeah.
Let me see the interior going on.
Open it up. Let's see what you
That
get the side
de-bonered the boner I got from when you took the golden bite.
I'll go inside out on this.
Oh!
God, you have a college degree. This is where you're at.
Oh, that's a sloppy smash right there.
Sloppy smash.
What are you talking about?
Smash.
What'd you do? No. Smash or save? Too long! Smash or save?
Smash.
Smash or save?
Smash.
Smash or save?
Smash.
Smash or save?
Smash.
I also smashed. It was great. But look at this destruction down here. Incredible.
Total annihilation.
This is pretty much what I expected from this group. Somebody's ringtone is a baby nursery. Eat it, bitch. It's always good.
How was I supposed
Bye guys, see you soon. Bye.